So now we have a ton of new parts, so we can start finishing this motorbike up. So I was looking around and I found this. It's a whole ton of parts from the ct200, but a side cover. So I'm probably going to be using that one and just repainting it, because I tried repainting the paint job but it didn't really work. We have the battery side cover, which I really needed, and we've got basically a whole engine, a whole wiring loom. We've got the rear basket, got a lot of stuff. So it's going to be time to put parts onto that. Quite sadly, I have bought a starter motor before I got this. So we got one over here, we got one over there, and we'll see which one we end up using. One great thing is that we have finally got this running. So, put the key on, get the neutral button. It's still hanging down here. It's quite a hot day, but that should help. But there. Yeah. Not spicy. Very nice. Got that. We have the gear lever. So we can put it into gear. We have the gear lever from the engine, and you can see that it's been welded on. It's had some DIYing done to it, but that's one thing. Another thing, which is quite interesting, I found, is that the point of failure is over here. So I'm probably going to be using this sprocket cover. But here's my one, and here's the old one. Both of them are broken. So that is one point that brakes is a breaking point on these bikes. So one thing we're going to do is we're going to replace the full cord handle, because our one's broken over here. Going to put some pieces on. Just going to try to get the rear basket on. We've got a couple of things. It's time to do it. And also, just if you're wondering, this is how clean the oil is. Can't see it, but those little spots there, that's the oil. Just absolutely black. So, yeah. Still moves, so it's not seized up, but it's quite an old engine.